Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, Average Joe Watch Reviews, where we do more than just reviews. Today we're doing an unboxing of Nove. And this is a brand that I discovered on Instagram, and I thought it had a very interesting look. So I wanted to take a look at it, and they agreed to send it out to me. And I don't have to give this one back. So I'm excited about this. So let's take a look and see what we got. First and foremost, here they are on social media. So that's their little social media card. And then we have a thank you card. Welcome to the Novus life. Remember the joys of life. Embrace the charms of the present. Thank you. We love seeing pictures of our clients with their new watches. So tag us in a picture. Definitely will do. So let's take a look. We have a nice leatherette bound case with some red, with the red zipper. Here's the Nove logo, and it's very nice. I mean, you could definitely use this as a travel case for sure. I like it when companies do that. A user manual and international warranty, 2-year warranty, so not too bad at all. And that comes off of there. And then this basically gives you Swiss made sapphire crystal Ronda 1062 movement slim tech 6-year battery life. Not too bad at all. So this indeed this is definitely the slimmest diver I've ever seen. I don't know if it's the slimmest diver ever produced, but definitely the slimmest diver I've ever seen. So there we go. Just cut the tag. So it's got the Nove tag. There's the model, or the model number there. And we got a bunch of protective coverings here. So let's remove all that. And I may even just skip through this. Some of you guys like to see this, so I may just have to speed it up for time's sake.
People do want to see the watch, so they have this watch really well protected, guys. So very well protected. Let me start here and see if maybe I can get it off the face at least. So there we go.
Here, look at that. That's a good looking dial. Very, very clean. Very, very clean.
All right. And let's see if we can get it off of here. I feel like we're spending more time taking this off than actually showing the watch. Man, this stuff is such a pain sometimes to get off, though. This is not my favorite part. This might be some people's favorite, but man, definitely not my favorite for sure. I mean, some of these companies really pack this on good. And I mean, I'm glad they do. I mean, it's well protected, but man, it is a pain to get off. Okay. Oh, we got a little arrow here, so maybe that'll be of some help. Let's see. Would have been helpful on the other side if I had the arrow, right? So, here we go. That arrow seemed to at least help me out a little bit
there. But man, this is really heavy duty. But here we go, guys. This is the slimmest diver you will ever see. And of course, the first thing I want to do is check out this bezel action. Look how cool the mechanism is. Very good bezel action, and I think it's really cool that you could see the mechanism. That's very unique. And as you can see the back, like where you get back play, right in the teeth, right? But it's not that bad. This is a very, as I said, clean dial. You've got the applied Nove logo right at the 12 o'clock. You have Swiss made written right across. Okay. There we go. Very, very thin, guys. Look at that. I'll do a measurement for you in the full review. This bracelet is very complicated, very good quality. As I said, you have the butterfly clasp, and you got to make sure that you go in that order, just like that. But it's definitely a very symmetrical Very cool shapes. I like that. Very unique watch, guys. This one to me reminds me of like what a Movado would look like if you made it into a diver. I've never had an issue with Movado's design. So to have a watch that looks like similar to one, but yet kind of take it a step further, and then we put it on the wrist and it just slips on like a pair of old shoes, really. It really just kind of just slipped right on there. I don't have it fitted yet, but there's how it looks on the wrist. And we take a look at the dimensions of that crown. Look at that. It's got like a diamond, it's like triangular patterns here. It's really cool. So this is a screw-in crown. It's only got one position, and that is to set the time. But even just turning that crown, how cool does that look? Pretty cool. And yeah, squeeze that back into, let's get that bezel action one more time. Very interesting. Very, very, very cool just to see that mechanism working. Very cool. And we take a look at the backside case back, and we see yet another sticker that we can peel off here, just like so. And it looks like we have some light etching here. Swiss made, even got the red Swiss logo there. This is the Trident sapphire crystal. This is all stainless steel. And what else do we have here? Written right here, water resistant to 660 feet. For a watch that's this thin, it's pretty good. It's pretty impressive. We got rose gold screws here as well on the integrated bracelets. So this one, you're not going to be swapping out for a leather band anytime soon, unless you can find something that is custom like that. That's going to be a tough one to find. But that is the unboxing of the Nove Trident Diver. Is it the thinnest diver in the world? I don't know, but it's definitely the thinnest diver I've ever reviewed for sure. And this is definitely a big sucker. This one is 46 millimeters in diameter, so definitely a bigger watch for sure. So stay tuned for the full review of this watch. I want to wear it for a while and give you guys an honest review of the Nove Trident. So remember, there's always time to be kind to one another. Please take care of each other, and I'll see you guys next time on Average Joe Watch Reviews. God bless, my friends.